welcome to what amounts to football heaven. It doesn't get a whole lot better than this. The conditions are utopian. The sky is blue and the players are with us for a football match so widely and keenly anticipated. Truly, this is pristine. The level of expectation and excitement is reflected in the smiling faces of the crowd. They know it means so much, and they also experience between them a great sense of privilege at being able to attend this most special of games. Certainly this is a very, very impressive venue. He's had a go! There it is!
Listen, the big names earn their reputations for precisely the reason we've just seen. They have a habit of making their presence felt, and here we are, early stages. He struck one, and he looks hungry for more. The keeper deserves some sympathy there. He may not have seen that until too late.
Well, he's gone for it! Aubameyang. Cristiano Ronaldo, he's left, he's gone for it! What about it? Pretty simple finish in the end. What do you think, Jim?
Well, considering he has a bit of a shoot-on-sight policy, he was the one player that should have been picked up then. It was both careless and costly from where I'm sitting.
That has certainly made things interesting.
Oh, I think the coach will really be annoyed with that. The players were still thinking about their goal and just got caught napping.
Cristiano Ronaldo, and he's on his way, striding forward, has a pop! He's there to make a great save.
Well, that was high-class goalkeeping there to back up his high-class wage.
He'll have a dip! They've scored! They've done it! It was coming! They have their reward!
So we have a breakthrough. No doubt as to who has the momentum here now. The only doubt is how many is coming.
Mbappe, Marcos Alonso battles to win it back. Suarez has a go! And it's Bernardo Silva, out wide to the right. Chance! De Bruyne, out to the left it goes. Luis Suarez, Aubameyang. Aubameyang hits it! Now it's Luis Suarez. De Bruyne tries to get it forward quickly. Cruyff hits that long. Hazard has been found. Going Hazard! Another chance! It's in! And already they're looking to run away with it. That's no fluke, it's what he was there for.
Well, for me, that's just pure predatory brilliance. It's not so much the finish, but the way he read the situation when nobody else was even alert to it. It's fantastic.
So the lead now is 2. Listen, he ran himself into trouble there. Free kick given away. Last-ditch defending, but that'll do. Here's the whistle for half-time.
I would think this one is possibly over as a contest. They know they've already reached cruise control, and it's a case of the right game management to take it from here.
That has been a goal-blessed half. It is 3-1. Here we go again then. Done very well to intervene. Neymar. And it's Hazard. This is gone, that's a foul. Marcos Alonso won't get the better of his opposite number. Van Dijk does well to read it and intercepts. Mbappe. Goes looking. We're not going to make any further progress now. It's Cristiano Ronaldo. Gets it back. Neymar. It's got paid to a promising move. Marcos Alonso, whose goal-scoring skills have already been evident. Hazard. And it's been taken straight back. It's a poor throw that, kicked off with relative ease. He's found his man. And through to the goalkeeper. And it's Cruyff. Cristiano Ronaldo. Cruyff. Cristiano Ronaldo. It's been caught there, it's foul.
Well, he can get masterful control on free kicks, and his focus is usually second to none.
Marcos Alonso, ready to try one. He's gone direct.
It is a fantastic goal. A finish right from the top draw.
And they are pulling clear here. And he's produced a beauty. So now the difference is 3. He's got options out wide. Aubameyang. Aubameyang crosses. Cristiano Ronaldo pushes it out wide. He's got away. Goes for goal. Oh, the ball's come loose and in again. That is wayward. Forward it goes. DK. Neymar. Just needed to be better than that, and he knows it. That's not going to go down too well with his teammates. And it's Cristiano Ronaldo. Cruyff. Van Dijk cuts it out. Bernardo Silva. Mbappe. Helps available out wide. Aubameyang. Looking to shoot. Plays it forward. Speculative strike. The whistle has gone and it is all over. What a match, what a comeback. That is how to respond to adversity. Truly deserving winners. Your reflections then, Jim?
Always what you say. Love is just a number going round your head. Yeah, it's just a game. Everything's okay. But